Guys, y'all were already told to leave. Hello. So know my camera is on too. So they're not going to handle this situation any longer. I'm not really sure what I can give information to. One moment. Stay right here. One moment. Can you stay right here, please? Yeah, these two are supposed to be. Press already said once they come in the building to arrest them. Luke said it too. So yeah, my body cam is on.
Okay. Sir, I need you to stand right there. Put your hands behind your back. At this time, you're being arrested. Okay? You confirmed that's both of these guys, Evan?
Yes, it's both of them. Knew he was going to do that.